It is so rich and vibrant. Hello and namaste. Welcome to my channel. This chili oil is super easy to make and I cannot wait to share the recipe with you. So let's get started. I used food processor to mince the garlic. Heat oil in a pot. Meanwhile, mix rest of the ingredients except Szechuan pepper or Timur with the minced garlic. Now add Szechuan pepper or Timur to the mix. For the next step, make sure you have your prep area well ventilated. Now pour the heated oil. The spice level of chilies are different, so adjust the chili quantity according to your taste. Ours is medium spicy. This garlic chili oil is so addictive. I'm guilty of adding this to every savory meal possible and especially to my all-time favorite momo or dumplings. Hope you like it as much as I do. Happy cooking!